Hello everyone. So today is Thursday, 23rd of February, and it's going to be monthly expiry for Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. Now yesterday's day was euphoric and probably unexpected kind of a fall. A huge momentum in yesterday's day. So in a way, in yesterday's day we saw Nifty moving about 270 points negative and Bank Nifty moving about 677 points. So naturally, some of the targets have got completed. Nifty, if we take a look, Nifty the target of 17,730 got completed. Then the second target of 17,631 also got completed. And eventually we have closed around 17,500. Now whatever expected target as per this weekly expiry I was expecting is almost done, almost completed. But that does not mean that we may not see some bearish action or some new low in today's day. It is very well possible that we might see some new lower level. Why I'm saying this is because at this point in time we have shorted from the price of 18,133 odd level, and from this level we have tried to capture almost all the fall that has taken place. Now in yesterday's day I had booked out in this first candle, and then probably by the time we crossed below this target, then I realized that I should still remain in the trade, so I re-entered here for some intraday positional trades. So total trade outcome is in a way very good. I think almost 20% ROI on the entire capital from this high is something that I have been able to achieve, which is a very good returns in my understanding. Right now I do not have any positions because I have squared off all the positions towards the end, but we can certainly see the last trades which I have done. So towards 320 odd yesterday I had booked all these positions, and these are the positions that I was holding, the entire positions, set of positions. I had also shared some order flow as well with the students yesterday, so that those orders were shared in the real time basis. Anyways, but let's come to chart. Now what do I expect? क्या हो सकता है? As I said, we are very close to the lower part of the uh, range, weekly range. We have a open interest which suggests that there is a possibility of a 17,500 as a target which might get completed. Now if at all this 17,500 is about to get completed, I feel that the target of 17,479, 17,480 can also get completed. So this is going to be our target 4. So we'll keep this. See, I do not have any short positions as of now, but the analysis, the trade that suggests, see, there is a possibility of a sharp bounce. That bounce may come today, or due to expiry they might select to keep it in a bearish mode only. So that is something that we'll have to see how it goes. So target 4 for Nifty here, and right now these 3 targets are completed, so I'm expecting this 4 target should also get completed. Another important bearish target of 17,463 is also there, so that might as well get completed. We are expecting a bounce here at this point in time, and that bounce can again take us to, let's say, 17,800 odd level, but this time around price may not be able to sustain at those levels. Let's assume that this is a high and this is the low that we have got so far. So how do we expect this bullish move? So from these levels, if we get a 50% bounce, then in that case that target will be around 17,832. This is what one of the possibility is. It can also may happen that we may get a euphoric kind of a bounce. That is also a possibility, and that precisely is the reason why I am not holding any short positions at this point in time. In today's day, if we get a new lower low as compared to this, So maybe 17,478, all these targets, if these targets are getting completed, then towards the end I will consider creating some small bullish position. Okay, both the indices are oversold at this point in time, so we are expecting a bounce for at least 1 or 2 days. So that day can be today, tomorrow, one of the day we can see experience some kind of a bounce, and then in turn that bounce will also give us a low risk shorting opportunity. So this is about your Nifty trade. And when we are looking at Bank Nifty, see, Bank Nifty has also beautifully completed all these targets. So the target of 40,584, this was completed day before yesterday. Then in yesterday's opening, we got a target of 40,207, and we are actually at the lower level of the range. Okay, that 40,000 odd mark, and then we have crossed below this. So naturally, one more target of 39,792. This is possible. So this might happen today, and from those levels we are expecting some kind of a bounce. Now that bounce can be limited to here in case of 40,500 or maybe greater than that. Let's calculate. Okay, so that bounce, if it is at 50% level, then it is going to be about 41,000 odd level. 41,200 is also one important support level, so it might be possible that the bounce will be up till that 41,200 odd level. Now see, this bounce is going to be a bullish retracement. So this bullish retracement in a way will give us an opportunity to short again. So look at it from that point of view only. One simple thumb rule which I shared in recent webinar for the growth model students is that when I'm trading in the direction of the trade, main trend, then in that case I'm going to create a position sizing which is regular 100% position sizing. Let's say I'm trading with, let's say, 10 lots for an example. If I'm trading with 10 lots, so for a bearish direction I will keep a position sizing which is about 10 lots. But for a anti-trend thing, whenever we are trading anti-trend, in that case I'm going to carry only 50% or 1/3 position. So I will carry 5 lots or I will carry 3 lots only, because this is just to manage the risk, because we are trading against the trend. At that point in time I should know my risk should be in check. I know that the reward, the targets cannot be very exponential. So, and in that point in time, a smaller position will also give you good returns. And whenever we get a main directional trade, at that point in time, we can create a bigger position sizing. This is how I am looking at it. You can give it a thought and accordingly plan out the trade in that manner. Most importantly, if you take a look at the Ritik stocks, I am talking about these stocks consistently, and all this while I'm sharing that there will be a time when all these Ritik stocks will be below their 50 EMA. So far there are 7 stocks which are below their respective daily 50 EMA, and only Infosys right now is above its daily 50 EMA. It is only about time. I will let go this week up till this Friday, and again probably some of the stocks like HDFC Bank or HDFC Limited, these banks, or TCS, they will try to cross above the 50 EMA again momentarily, and then Monday onwards we should see some good fall in all these stocks. Is something this is something I'm expecting. Again, at this point in time, even SBI should show us some bounce for towards 50 EMA odd level. It can give us a target of around 540 odd, and eventually it should give up from those levels again. It's like a symphony orchestra. All these stocks, they are playing by their turn, and in a way they are balancing out the Nifty. Okay, so this is how we are looking at it. Currently there are no positions. I'm going to keep a lighter position today. If at all I need to trade, I will try to trade towards the end of the day, and I will look to create some small bullish position towards the end, and that I will prefer to carry for tomorrow. And let's see how today's day goes, so accordingly we can plan tomorrow's trading. Thank you so much guys for watching. I'm signing off. Bye bye.